Today we are going to talk about powerful incident, earthquake incident, facility issue incident, fire incident, and so on with the workbench. The incident causes leak, chemical leak issue. Sometimes chemical leak with the wet tool or the workbench or single wafer wet tools. Leak with the piping broken or the tool body broken. Even the pump out of order, filter broken to cause the leakage. Sometimes the amount of chemical leak very huge. You cannot just use some clean cloth to clean it. So as installation with workbench, we also installed previously with it anti-leak drain pan, and the anti-leak drain pan under the whole workbench tool. If some incident to cause serious leakage problem to cause a lot of chemical leak out, the leak to the drain pan, and the drain pan has a drain piping to leak to facility. So installation with a anti-leak drain pan is necessary. And you got leakage issue, please notice safety first to take care of it. Safety first, especially we talk about human being. Human being's safety is first anyway. Human being is much more important than any others, including the wafer and your equipment. Now talk about the drain pan leaks a lot of leak chemical to the facility. You got to know the notice. As it, if some incident including earthquake, power off, facility issue, even the fire incident, in the emergency situation, you got to drain all the chemical to the facility. For example, there are two workbenches, including workbench 1, chemical A, and workbench 2, chemical B. Some emergency case, they drain together at the same time, but unfortunately, the drain pan, drain piping is the same to the treatment of facility. You can see that the chemical A here adding the chemical B together to the treatment of facility. I have experience with different kinds of chemical drain together to the same piping at the same time with huge amount. So it causes the explosion and also caused the fire incident, and also cause poison gas. and mankind safety suffered and whole fab security suffered with it. So, if you have a drain pan leak, you got to let the facility to establish the drain piping. Notice different chemical. Use different and separate piping. Don't let chemicals mixing. Safety first. And now we talk about no power supply by incident. There is no any power supply, so the machine lose control or out of control situation. And no power with the workbench. We got to manually drain all the chemical to facility to prevent any big amount chemical leaks incident. So, manually drain the chemical to facility immediately. And we all have the manually drain valve without electric power. Just use manual, open the valve, install at each chemical tank we talked about before, and manually turn off all electricity breakers of the tool. And we got to install a UPS for at least for fire IR sensor and the fire extinguisher system. This is very important. Even no power supply to the workbench, we still got let it works. Is fire IR sensor and the fire extinguisher to prevent the workbench got serious fire incident. And if the no power supply just as whole fab power off, there is no power whole fab, please do one thing: evacuate immediately. Or you can see that the whole fab without power supply, it can cause fire, can cause explosion, can cause serious chemical leakage incident, and can cause poison gas all around inside the fab. So evacuate immediately and take care of it later with safety first rule. Okay, let's see you next time.